Welcome to A2Z Knowledge.com. So in this video we are going to discuss a topic in our programming language. We are going to do a sentimental analysis for retail data set, or I can say we are going to do a market basket algorithm for retail data set. So first I will start with practical, then I will just show you the data set. Okay, so here you can see I'm using RStudio, and I have a video like how to kickstart with RStudio and all those stuff, and you can see all the list of videos in my YouTube playlist, and you can find that link in the description box of this video. Okay, so first you need to import these three packages. Just select and you need to run. So A rules, which internally it has a lot of association rules and for data mining rules and interfaces, and then A rules, this is nothing but A rules visualization, and we need to show some plots, graphs, something like that. Then you need this library. Then dataset. So dataset like means or internally the A rule internally has a lot of dataset for your exercise. Like it has grocery data set, and it has income data set, and it has adult data set and census data set. You can use any of those data set, but I'm going to show some external data, not the one which comes with R. I have prepared some mock data which has some retail information. So now I am going to identify the patterns which matching infrequent, okay, with other products. So based on that, I am going to give you some sentimental analysis and use case which I can give you as a kind of an example. If you go for Flipkart and Amazon, where in bottom you can see the products which you are searching, the people also had showed interest on this product. For example, the guy who bought mobile phone, they have also bought headset. The guy who showed interest on mobile phone, they have also showed interest on charger. So you will be getting such kind of associations in the website. You can see, so those guys are giving such kind of advertisements to increase their product sale. So this underlying concept what they are using is market basket algorithm. So generally, what is this market basket algorithm concept? If you go for any supermarket, the departmental store, where you can see the order of the items which has been placed in the racks. So people used to place always bread and milk in the same rack, and butter and bread in the same rack, because that's a very good combination, which they come to know. The departmental people, the superstore, the store people comes to know based on the history data. So far last 2 years or last 10 years, the people have showed very good interest in the combination of bread and butter or bread and milk. Based on that, always the supermarket people will arrange the items in that way, so that in future the product sale will get increased. Okay, so what is the target of this month? I want to sell all my bread packets by this month. Then you need to identify, if I place this bread along with which product, so that the bread will get sold out. So you need to find out that pattern. So by analyzing the history, you have to predict the future. So the same thing here I'm just going to show you. So first I will show you my data set. See, this is my data set. It's a CSV file. I've just created a data set as something like mobile, headset, charger, pad. So one guy bought all these four, and the second guy bought only mobile and charger, and third guy showed interest only on charger and headsets, something like this. So this data set I have to load. So I will just load this data set. And then next, transaction. What is transaction? So transaction is something like you need to change your, this is read.table is something like a data frame that you are applying for the CSV file. Then you are applying the transaction function for the CSV file, so that the format is basket. So the basket is something like the A rules will understand when your data set in the pattern matching system only when your data set applies with the transaction function with the format of basket. So now I'm just executing this line too. Okay, so this line, and then item frequency plot. What is this? So I will just run it so that you will come to know. See, I'm just passing trans, that is the trans which has the data, and you can see this bar chart, something like headset, how many occurrence is there in my input file. 7 times headset has been occurred repeatedly, and 5 times mobile, and charger and pad is for 3 times, and screen is for 2 times, and then laptop and pen drive is just for 1 time. Okay, so now you have to apply the a priori rule. I used to pronounce it as a priori, but people used to pronounce it in a different way. Okay, so now the rule is all about, this is the major magical part of your algorithm. So the a priori rule is all about, you have to give some support and confidence for the initial stage. What is the support first of all? So the support is based on how frequent in history the product has been sold out in what combination, association. That is the support. Based on the frequent occurrence of such association, the combination, you are giving the support that even in future this will be the hit one. And confident is again the same. So based on the support, how much confident that you are in sales, that if you place this as a combo, you will get the sale, the next year sale will be the hit in market. So how you are giving the confidence? So initially you have to start with the very least value. In final, the R will give you the support count and confident count which you can use for the predictions, and which has the maximum support count and confident count is the wonderful combination that you can place so that your product will get sale in the next year for sure. Okay, so now you have to declare the appearance. By default, it means appearance is in a list, and default equal to LHS, that is left hand side, and RHS where right hand side you have to search for the element which you need to identify the combo, and then you have to apply the sort on the data. See, rules is nothing like that. This is a variable. It's not something like a concept, or it's just a variable. So you are just sorting it, and you are giving decreasing equal to true. Sometimes you will get empty set for the element which you are searching. That won't come as a first. It will come as a last based on the confidence you are sorting. So run all these code. Now run it, and then now inspect the rule. So 1:10 I am giving. So you will be getting 10 relationship of the data. I am just inspecting it. Yes, see, you got the output. Now just maximize this window, and you can see mobile phone. The guy who bought mobile, he also bought laptop, and the guy who bought headset laptop here means mobile, he also got headset and laptop. And you can see like the guy who bought mobile, he also bought charger, mobile, he also got pad. So you can see the support is very less for these combinations, and always you will get maximum combination for empty set, so you need to exclude it. And next to this 62, the maximum combo is 60. That means the guy who got mobile, maximum they got headsets. Okay, fine. So I have identified the pattern. So now I have to give an advertisement in my retail set, in all mobile search you do. In bottom I will be showing that these many number of people have showed an interest in mobile phone plus charger as a combo. So that will make you to buy a charger. If it is a physical store, right, mobile store, then I will place charger and mobile phone in the same rack, in the same shelf, so that the combo will be super hit. So this is what you need to identify. So the least one, if you see, right, laptops, headset and laptop, see, this is not a very good combination if you see based on the data set, but it's not a very good combination. So that's why it's got a very least count. Okay, so this is what something we need to understand, and this is what I've tried to show you. And you can do the same logic program with a different data set like retail, healthcare, banking, or grocery data set. It's up to you. You can design a data set like which I showed in the Excel, and you can able to do it. And thanks for watching A2Zknowledge.com. And finally, I missed to say one thing. I will just show you the plots. So just run this plot. Yeah, you will be getting like this. Maybe the plot is something like messy, but you can able to choose the shape which you want, circle, even though it is messy, but it's not a very good or wonderful visualization. But still R internally has it, the R Studio has it, which comes as A rule with the package which you have imported. Maybe in future in some other video I will show you a better visualization technology with the same result. Okay, so you can see here mobile phone, so the arrow mark. Okay, so mobile phone, this comes with only one. Okay, we can take this one, pad. So the guys who bought pad also bought mobile phone, or we can say, like if you see here headset, the guy who bought headset, it's going here and it's coming back to mobile phone. The guys who got headset also got mobile phone. So it's just showing the relationship in plots graph. I will just close it. Yeah. So thanks for watching A2Zknowledge.com. If you really like this video, subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. And you can get this code in my website, and you can get the website code link in the description box of this video, and as well as this data set also I will attach. But this is not a very good or very big data set, but you can create on your own. And this is also a download link you can see in the description box. And thanks for watching A2Zknowledge.com. And we have many other tech videos other than R2 in my YouTube channel. Just take a look on it. And we have videos in two languages, English and Tamil. So thanks for watching A2Zknowledge.com.